Hello, good day. Welcome back to Puina's Tech Light channel. Today I'm going to show you how to write the first code in Python. But before writing the Python script or code, you need to have Python on your system installed. There are different methods how to install the Python on different operating systems. On Windows versions, it has a different ways. In Linux, it has different ways, same as to other operating systems. So that is the first thing, that you need to have Python installed on your operating system. Well, my PC is running on Windows 10 64-bit, and I have installed my Python, and this is the Python that I have installed. If you don't know how to install Python on Windows, then you can check out my tutorials on how to install Python on Windows. I will paste the link below. Well, if you want to write the first code, you need to have Python. Secondly, you need to open the idle. So this is the idle. Okay, now click on the idle. There you are. This is the kind of console that you will see when you open the Python idle. So you can see the versions here. I'm running in version 3.7.3, so it is the latest Python version running on my system. There are other minor versions before 3.7, and there is another older major release versions, that is 2, and the most stable versions was 2.7 on that older versions. But in new 3. Versions, 3.6 is the most stable versions, but obviously some years from now 3.7 will be stable and you can use in the production environments, because everyone prefers to have your software versions which is stable when it comes to stability. Well, now you have opened idle and we are in the idle shell. Okay, so this is the idle shell. So now we are going to write the first code, and the first code, globally we understand it as to print out hello world. Okay, now it's a pretty straightforward. On the shell, okay, on this prompt you need to type the command print, okay, and you need to open the browsers, then use the semicolon, double quotations, and you can type hello world. Okay, and you should close with the double quotations, and you can see the color of the alphabets strings have changed to green, right, which says we are good, and we need to close the browser in order to work. Okay, now hit enter. Well, there you are. So it has printed out hello world. Congratulations, this is your first code to write hello world in Python. Okay, next thing is there are lots of editors available on the internet. There are some popular editors for the Python codes that you can use to write, and I would like to mention some of them are Sublime, Notepad++, PyCharm. So those are some of the very popular editors that you can use. But Python also has come its own, I should say, the editor. So this is the one. So if you're not using any kind of third-party editors or something like that, you want to use the inbuilt one, so this is the best. This is the inbuilt one, and you can do all the codings on this editor. Okay, let me show you the same first code which I have shown you in the idle shell. Okay, well, the code will be the same. So print, then process, quotations, then hello, then world, double quotation close, and the process close. That's it. You need to save the file anywhere on your desktop. Okay, I'll save on my desktop. Okay, so I'll just type some name to save it. For example, first Python script. Okay, and you can see when the file will be saved, automatically it will save into .py, which is Python files. Save. Now we have saved the file. Now we can run and test whether our first code works or not. Wow, great, there you are. So it has printed the same thing. You can see this line, it's nothing, but when you run, then the Python interpreter, it kickstarts the program. Then you can see the part where I store the Python. Okay, this is the Python, and it runs. Okay, what you write, then it print out the command that you have given on your script. Okay, second thing I just want to show you is instead of quotations you can use, double quotations, you can use single quotations. Okay, but it should be same opening and the closing, so it's very important. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, there you are. So it's the same thing. Oh, I forgot to type the spelling of the word was not correct. Right, let me change that, and I have changed that, and let me rerun again. So when I run, then it gives the option to save and it will run the program. Okay, or else there is a shortcut where you can use the key on your keyboard. Okay, you can see here run mode on F5. Okay, so instead of doing from there, you can type F5. Okay, okay, well, seems to be my keyboard is having some problem. Okay, let me try again. So zip F5. Okay, no problem. So there seems to be some issues on my keyboard. Not an issue, but you can try on your keyboard F5. Okay, instead of running the module from here. Okay, let me run now with the correct spelling, so it has printed out. Okay, now if you go to Python site python.org, this is the official site. Okay, and if you go to getting started, okay, this is for beginners. Okay, installing we have done, learning, so you can see the idle and the text editors, so you can just click on this and you can have more informations about IDEs and text editors. Alright, that's all from my side.